Hi guys, I'm Shilpa Shetty Kundra and we're gonna have lots of fun today. So this is one of the most basic workouts. It's called Kati Chakrasana, especially for people who are in the office, who are sitting for long hours, or even if you're in a car doing a long journey. When you get up and if you really feel like your bones or your spine's feeling very stiff, you just stand, get your hands on either side, and what you do is just turn, and you can actually feel your bones creaking and opening up. Okay, and you do it faster now. And then you can do it like this. So doing this really will rejuvenate your mind, body, and kind of wake you up and your senses, and it works like magic. So a lot of women ask me, how do you tone your legs, and they feel like, their butts are getting a bit saggy. I know it's a lot. It's a big problem with us women. We don't really talk about it in the open, but this is our secret. And this is how I do it. I think this is my go-to exercise. It's called squats. So I'll show you how it's done. Keep your legs shoulder width apart and keep your hands in front. And think like you're about to sit on a chair. Make sure that your knees don't surpass your toes, okay? And then you come up. Now I'll do it on the side and you'll see how it looks. So you do 10 sets of this. So it's working on your hamstrings. So you do 10 sets of this and then you keep your legs inwards. You see the form? And then you do the same thing. So it's working on your IT band as well. You do 10 of this and then you go into like the sumo squat. Your feet are wide and your toes on the side. Can you see the form? And you do the same thing again. And then the last 5 in this, you go slightly lower. And trust me, after 3 sets of this, you will feel your glutes really tighten. Now see? So we've given you a lot of gyan on health and fitness. But what I really emphasize on is overall wellness, and that can only come about if you are aligned mind, body and soul. And I just feel in today's time and age, everyone is so goal oriented and so we're leading such fast-paced lives that we're forgetting to concentrate on our breath. How many of us really take out the time to breathe? So we are using our bodies and more so our fingers nowadays on the phone. So I'll tell you another technique to use your fingers. Dhyan Mudra. This connects your heart and your mind. Okay? You're sitting in Sukhasana and just take a deep breath in. Close your eyes. Concentrate on your Agna Chakra, center of your forehead. Spine straight. Take a deep breath in. The O should be short and the M should be longer. Rub your hands together. Place them on your eyes. Blink them vigorously. Open them. Atma Namaste. So, with that, I'd just like to say, Swasth Raho, Mast Raho.